Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2021 Bennington RX Sport. This was powered with a Mercury 400 horsepower. We did this one in the silver with smoky granite accent blackout package. RX Sport's a relatively new boat for Bennington. Came out with it in 2020. We had a lot of success with it in 2020 as well, so we're trying to keep one in stock at all times. Little exterior video for you here. This one is a swing back model, so of course you've got the swing back, you've got rear facing speakers, of course has all RGB lighting in the speakers, the grates up under the swing back right there. This one has silver accent or silver overall interior with the graphite perforated and the Rosso red trim. Makes it look really good. Climb up here and take a look. Don't have the motor on this one yet, but that's it. Of course, the swing back model. So you've got this cushion here that swings back, gives you a large lounge. This one does have the rail keepers, so you can ride backwards while the boat is underway. Then of course, with it folded back, you've got the nice L-shaped seating. Did the kicker speaker upgrade, RGB lighting. This is the Sport upholstery, which allows us to get the colors and stuff. I mean, it looks really good. Fold down armrest, of course. Wireless charging up front. So overall, really great looking boat, and it performs phenomenal with the 400 on it. This one we did the Simrad Go 7, so it is the NEMA 2000, so it's got Mercury gauges and all on it. Navigation, Rockford Fosgate stereo, Cordova steering wheel. Of course, this boat is DTS, so it's all digital throttle control, Mercury power steering, and of course it does have the cladded arch, which is also a power tower. Again, this is a 2021 25 RX Sport swingback, silver exterior, smoky granite accent, overall color interior silver, of course, Rosso red stitching. And again, we're located at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, upstate South Carolina Bennington dealer. Will, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.